Morning Albert, James, track fans, how we doing? Here we go. Track 42, Aston Martin Vantage on the track. Let's see what happens. First corner, hammerhead, long straight, right angle, long straight into crossover, New Park, Bacharach bend up to the swirl and over into Chicago, fast out. Hairpin 1, hairpin 2. Get the gist of the track now. So, take a bit of an overview and I'll start to try and drive the track. Oh, we had a bit of a wheel spin, we had a bit of a stoppage. Chicago, crossover track, tight chicanes into the first hairpin, Gambon corner. He's punished us, always does this. Here we go. Right. Nice, Chicago, tight chicanes. But just take it steady around here so you can watch the track and see how it works. Okay, let's go over here so you can see it from this angle. It's not a bad track this one, guys. Liking this. Put my finger out of the way of the lens, that'd be good.